Hello everybody, Michael here from HiQ Greenhouses. And there's only a few sleeps until the bedding plant workshop on February 7th. I've talked about the different components in the workshop, but there's one I want to touch on in particular. At the end of the day, we're going to have a panel discussion. So the speakers from the day will be available to answer any questions that weren't answered during the day yet. So the Premier Peat Moss Company people are coming, the dirt guys, they'll be there for questions, so bring your questions. Things like, how do I lower the pH in my mix, or how do I raise the pH in my mix? If any questions that are not answered during their presentation, they're on our presentation, it's going to be a hands-on one. Dr. Merzer will be there. He'll be talking about how to grow plants vegetatively, but I'm sure you have more questions. And there might be questions like, which succulents do I pinch? Or which ornamental grasses can I pinch? There is certain succulents you can pinch, and you should ask us about these kinds of things. Is there ornamental grasses I should pinch to make them branch out more? What happens if I pinch them and it gets too late? What else can I do? Any questions about how to seed things, or how to make things more efficient in your greenhouse, or gadgets that you see in our greenhouse? You're going to see a lot of equipment when you're in our workshop, and it doesn't mean you have to have all these fancy tools that we have, but it would be great to have you pick up some gadgetry that we use and implement it in your own greenhouse. See you on the 7th.